There seems to be a new way that you can make money online through watching videos. You can make $100 per day watching at least 10 videos. Now, if you search YouTube on how to make money watching videos, you'll see a bunch of videos popped up. Now, I'm going to be saving you a lot of time from watching those videos because I will be testing these side hustles and sharing my view. I've watched at least 10 of these videos to get an understanding of the exact process. Out of the 10, I've picked the easiest one, and I'll be going over the exact process, and I'll be sharing my findings with you. And I'll also recommend if there are better side hustles that you can try. Now, before I go into the exact process, I want to share with you something very important. When it comes down to content online, you have to be very careful and consume with a grain of salt. And I am not going to stop saying this, right? I could have easily come and said I made $100 online, and then I go on to show you some manipulated proof in PayPal. Now, this is my PayPal account, and this is what I could have also shown you that I made this amount of money. But in fact, I just edit it. It's really simple. Alright, so no more talking. So let's head over to my laptop now, and I'll show you the exact process that one of the creators spoke about. So the first step in the process is that you want to head over to YouTube, right? And on your own page, you want to select YouTube Shorts.
Follow me to see how much money I spend a day living in Jamaica. So I start off good. We don't have to spend any money on gas, so it's good. I'm just cruising, vibing to some Bruno Mars. But if you look just to your left, you'll see that they're building a housing scheme close to the tour. So look out for that.
If you're an agreeable person.
Nobody, okay? I work every day, okay?
So basically, I've just watched about 5 videos, right? And if I was supposed to make money watching YouTube videos, so now basically I should be earning at least $10 because they said you can earn watching YouTube videos. So basically, step 1, you want to go on YouTube Shorts. YouTube will basically show you trending content, so you don't have to go out and search for any really trending content. So here, this video has 5 million views. However, they said YouTube Shorts, search for YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to search for Minecraft. And I'm going to select one of these videos. You can see they have quite a bit of views, right? Now the next step is to right click on this little icon here, share, and copy the link. So that is step 1. Now step 2, you want to go on a website called Shrink and Earn, right? You're going to select new shorten link, paste your URL, and then shorten the link. And then you're going to grab this shorten link, and now you basically need to find a community where they are talking about Minecraft, and then you share that link in that community. And that's how you basically earn by watching YouTube videos. And the method that will give you the highest number of views, or you can earn the highest number of money, was through Facebook groups. So if I go on Facebook, now I need to go on the groups option, and now I need to search for groups like Minecraft. So let's see our group. Now basically you want to join one of these groups, and then you want to paste your link there. So that's basically how you get people to watch your videos. So technically you're promoting another content creator's video with the chance of earning. So I'm just gonna paste this link in my browser and simulate a click for myself. Now I'm going to go back to the dashboard and refresh. I haven't earned anything. Now I go on all links. My links are still there. Now I'm going to try it in a private browser as well. So I'm going to right click this tab, new private window, and it doesn't even take me to the YouTube Shorts video. Let's go on statistics again. Let's refresh, and I still haven't earned anything. Now definitely if it works according to how they say, you will definitely generate a few clicks, right? And you'll definitely earn some pennies. But think about it. If you comment on a YouTube video right now that has a lot of views and a lot of comments, what are the likelihood of somebody seeing your comment and go and click on your link? Now you have to take that into consideration because that's how it works. If you go on Instagram, comment on a trending video, what are the likelihood somebody is going to engage with your comments? And that's basically how you generate some money. Now if you can get a lot of traction to your link, sure, you're going to be getting more pennies. So by now, you should have seen that it is not possible for you to earn any form of money watching YouTube shorts or watching YouTube videos. It is just not possible and a waste of your time. However, if you have the time and want to try it, then fine, by all means do it. But don't go out there expecting to earn $100 doing nothing really. And I'm telling you, this is the easiest of all the other videos that I've watched, and they pretty much follow the same method. You copy the link and then you go and paste it somewhere and then you try and promote that link, or you copy the transcription and then you go and paste that transcription somewhere and try and get traffic to that content. Now let me give you a better idea that can make you money in the long term. Now it's going to be small, just like these 1 cent and 2 cents, right? But over time it will be better and it will be evergreen and it is more sustainable. It makes more sense you create a blog, create content, and just put it on that blog and forget about it and monetize it with Google AdSense. Or you create a faceless YouTube channel and then you promote your videos in the same manner. Now I've tried that method for even my own videos in groups that has hundreds of thousands of people, and trust me, if I get 10 clicks, I get a lot. Now honestly, I feel sorry for a lot of individuals out there because they may be jobless, they're unemployed, they're trying to make some money online, and they genuinely believe that these things will work, and in fact their time are being wasted. And after trying several of these methods, they realize that it won't work, and now it seems like making money online is a myth, when it is not. It's a no-no. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.